Peace be upon you. How are you? I hope you are in good health. Okay, I'm convinced that programming is right for me and not as difficult as I had imagined. So where do I start my way of learning to code then? Before answering the previous question, I'm going to take the time to explain some programming concepts to you, then talk about what areas to work in and what is the best path for you to learn each. You know that a program is a series of commands that a computer executes to solve a problem, and the program itself is written in a language that the computer understands called machine language. It is noticeable to focus a lot on the programming language itself while beginning to learn programming. I'm going to tell you a shocking fact. The programming language you're using isn't as important as you expect. I'm not telling you that all programming languages are the same or have the same uses. But don't focus so much on learning how to write in a programming language and neglect the programming concepts behind it. Variables and constants. You have to familiarize yourself with the concept of variables used in all programming languages, which means assigning a value to a symbol or word and storing this value in memory. If we wanted to store the expression "Hello World" in a variable, we would write something similar to the following in the image in front of you. That is, we assign the part to the right of the equality sign to the variable to the left of the equality sign. We can infer from the name variables that their value is subject to change during program execution. Somewhere in the source file we can redefine the previous variable by writing. As for constants, they are similar to variables in many respects, except that you cannot redefine their value after defining them for the first time. You may make use of constants when you are absolutely certain that the value hasn't changed over the course of a program's execution. If we want to define a constant called pi that contains the value 3.14, we can write, if you try to change the value of the constant after defining it, you will get an error message. The conditions. All programming languages support defining conditions that are implemented in certain cases. In the previous algorithm, in which we explained the age calculation, we can write the condition in Arabic as follows. If, tell the user that there is an error. Otherwise, we will calculate the age by subtracting the date of birth from the current date. If we were to write it in a programming language, it would look something like this. What a beautiful programming! Imagine if you had 1,000 users, and you had to calculate their ages. With the click of a button you could calculate them all. Functions. A function is a set of code that accepts an input and returns a desired value. Functions are usually short and do only one task. For example, if we want to define a function called divide that accepts two numbers, and returns the result of dividing a large number by a small one. We can write the following algorithm